Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go. This is Wordle number 726 for June 15th, 2023. I'm going to use my favorite starter word, which is raise, R-A-I-S-E. Why do I use raise? Because it has 3 vowels and 2 consonants that are very common, the R and the S. Let's see what happens. So I've got 2 letters that are in the correct place, a very good start. Having 2 vowels, the A and the E, is very good because those are probably the only 2 vowels in the word. My first step is to figure out which letter will go before the E. Now, letters that will work are letters like W, T, P will work, D will work, K, L, N, M. I like the letter L, so I'm going to go with L. So we're going to go X, A, X, L, and E. So now I have to figure out a word that will be made with those letters. The very first one that jumps out is table, T-A-B-L-E. So let's go ahead and try table and see what happens. T-A-B-L-E. Maybe it's table. Let's see. T-A-B-L-E. Obviously, that did not work, but I did get another letter. It is in the wrong place, and that letter is B. So I've got to figure this out. If I start with a B, this is what I'll have. B, A, X, X, E. Just looking at this, I don't really like it. I can't come up quickly with a word that starts with a B and an A and ends in an E. If I were to go like B, A, G, M, E, N, E, C, E, none of those words work. B, A, K, I can't think of any words there that would work. B, A, F. B-A-P. So I'm not liking the B at the beginning. So let's try the B at the second to last letter. I'm going to go ahead and back this up. And we're going to go X, A, X, B, E. So what word can I possibly come up that has an A as the second letter and ends in B-E? This is looking pretty difficult as well. So let's go ahead and start with the letters that could work. W-A, nope. Y-A, no. U-A, no. O-A, no. P-A, nothing that I can think of. D, F, G, this is really not looking good. H, J, nope. K, Z, X, no. C, C-A, C-A, nothing that I can think of right off the top of my head. V, N, M, M-A, M-A-Y-B-E. Maybe is a word. And going through the available letters, that's the very first word that kind of comes, not the first word, but about the only word that comes to mind. Maybe, who knows? Maybe is it. M-A-Y-B-E. I've got my fingers crossed. I'm about to press enter. This may not be the word, but if it's not, I think it's going to help me be able to solve it in 4 tries. But let's go. Maybe I got it in 3 tries. Wow, that's pretty good. As you can see, the strategy that I used, basically what happened was I didn't like the B at the beginning of the word, so I figured it had to go right before the E, which it did, and somehow I pulled maybe out of all of that, and I got it in 3 tries. So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.